Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We are on chapter 5.3. 5.3 should be pretty familiar to you. We're going to be adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials together. Let's do a few adding polynomials. When you're adding polynomials, remember you're just combining like terms. So I have the problem already typed out. We've got a 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 10, and we're going to add it to the negative 5x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 4. And I'm doing the vertical format. All right, so again, notice how I've got everything lined up according to what the degree is for the problem. All right, here we go. So combining like terms. So the first one gives us negative 1x cubed. Now remember, the 1 is not necessary, but the negative is. Okay, then this is plus 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. That's it. Okay. Here, this is the horizontal format. Same thing, folks. We're just going to be combining the like terms. All right, so the 2x cubed, we're going to add it to the 3x cubed, and we're going to get 5x cubed. All right, then we're going to go ahead and take the plus 2x squared minus the 4x squared. Okay, that's going to be minus 2x squared. And then we're going to go ahead and take the minus 3x and the minus x, and that's going to be minus 4x. And then the constant at the end, 5, take away 7, that would be minus 2. All right, easy peasy, right? Moving on. Now, subtracting polynomials, we have to watch out. So here I've got the problem set up already. So here's we're going to take this polynomial and we're going to subtract it from this polynomial. Okay, vertical format. So we're going to take the 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x plus 12. We're taking it away from the negative 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. Now, remember, you've got a minus in front of here. You got to put that in grouping symbols. You have to distribute that through. So everything behind that has to change signs. Okay, so now combine your like terms. So what do we have here? We have negative 7x cubed. Here we have plus 2x squared. Here we have plus 2x. And then here we have minus 15. All right. Now, if you do it horizontally, okay, notice right here, ladies and gentlemen, or that little arrow is pointing to that minus sign. You have to distribute that through. So notice what it does here. This is now a minus 3y squared. This becomes a plus 4y, and this becomes a minus 7. All right, so basically switch all the signs that's behind it. All right, combining like terms, so the 6y and the minus 3y squared, that becomes, let's see, 3y squared. And then we're going to combine the minus 6y and the 4y. Okay, well, that looks like that's going to be a minus 2y. And then put the constants together, negative 13 and negative 7, that would be minus 20. All right, pretty straightforward, nothing really new there at all. Now, multiplying. Now, I highly advise using the box. You don't have to use the box, but I have found that students tend to forget to multiply something if they don't use the box. All right, it's not that hard to make a box and then use it, folks. So let's go ahead and I'm going to switch. Here we go. So I'm going to put the 2x plus 3 on the side and then the 3x squared plus 3x plus 5 on top. All right, now it's just like a multiplication table, folks. You're going to go 2x times 3x squared, and that's going to be 6x cubed. Okay, remember we add the exponents here. 2x times 3x, that's going to be 6x squared. 2x plus 5, that's going to give us 10x. Okay, now the bottom row. 3 times 3x squared, that's going to give us 9x squared. 3 times 3x, that's going to give us 9x, and then 3 times the 5 is going to be 15. Now, what I like about the box is it's real easy to see which ones are the like terms. All right, so these two are alike because they both have the x squared on it, and the 9x and the 10x are like terms. So when we write our answer, ladies and gentlemen, we need to write it in standard form. Remember, that means highest exponent to lowest exponent. So our answer here, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the 6x cubed. And then we're combining what I circled in green, okay, 9x squared and 6x squared. That's going to be plus 15x squared. And then combining what I circled in purple, that's going to be plus 19x. And then at the end, we've got the plus 15. Voila, we've multiplied them together. All right, let's keep going. All right, you'll notice I have two sets of boxes here. We've got x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 4. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take the first two and multiply those together. Now, that would be just plain old FOIL if you want to do the FOIL. But again, I highly recommend using the box because it usually cuts back on silly mistakes. All right, so I'm going to multiply those two together. We get x squared. We get 3x here. We get the minus x there, or minus 1x. And we get a minus 3 here. All right, so when I combine my like terms, I now have an x squared plus a 2x minus a 3. Okay. Again, these two are alike, so you combine them. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and, so what haven't I used? Well, I didn't use the x minus 4 yet, right? So I'm going to put that on the side, and then I'm going to take the x squared plus 2x minus 3 and put it there. And again, I'm going to multiply just like I did before. So this is x cubed. This is 2x squared. This is minus 3x. This will be minus 4x squared. Minus 8x, positive 12. All right, so again, I'm going to go through. Let's see, these two are the two that are alike. And what else is alike? These two are alike. So I'm going to combine like terms and write my answer. So my answer here, ladies and gentlemen, is x cubed minus the 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe I have one more. Okay, now notice this one says 2x plus 3 cubed. 2x plus 3 cubed. All right. Remember, you need to rewrite this as 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. Do not just go, oh, 2x cubed, well, that's 8x cubed, and 3 cubed, that's 27. No, absolutely not. Okay, it doesn't work that way. There's a plus sign in there. You got to write that out 3 times, and then you're going to have to FOIL, and then you're going to have to go ahead and multiply that answer to the other 2x plus 3. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do this fairly quickly. Okay, in fact, I'm going to do it without talking. Here we go. Hopefully I don't mess up. Oops, I forgot the squared on that one. Almost messed up. All right. I'm going to double check myself here really quick. All right, looks good. And so my final result, ladies and gentlemen, is 8x cubed plus it looks like 36x squared. Put these two together. That's 36. Okay, now put these two together. Let's see, 36 and 18. Just to make sure I don't goof in my adding in my head, that's 54, so 54x plus 27. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's what 5.3 is all about. I'm pretty sure that was the last one. Let's take a look. Yep, that's the next lesson, folks. We'll get to that in our next lesson. All right, ladies and gentlemen, pretty straightforward. Good luck. We'll see you in the next lesson.